strange because Doge actually stands for the Department of Governmental Efficiency. No, it doesn't. That's a facade, ladies and gentlemen, because Doge is actually this, D-O-G-E, mirrored is E-G-O-D. It's your e-god. When Doge went into action to turn around and find out all of the fraud within the United States government, you're being played, buddy. They're replacing all of those human employees with AI. That's a fact, Jack. Yeah, they are. And they know that they are. And how do you know that they are? Well, out of all of the supposed corruption that they found, out of all of the fraud that they found, how many people have been arrested? None. Wait a minute. You mean to tell me if I walk into a 7-Eleven and I steal a candy bar, I'm going to jail? But you can steal literally hundreds of thousands of dollars from the federal government and they slap you on the wrist and let you go? BS alert. You're being played again. Under the poopy pants Biden administration, you had the Build Back Better. Yes, you did. Build Back Better, which was a bunch of BS. The bond market, if the bond market truly was to crash, United States would feel that in other words, the common man would feel that between 48 and 72 hours. The bond market crashing would be a major blow to the United States economy. You have to remember that just about a few weeks ago, maybe a week and a half ago, Moody's downgraded the credit ranking for the United States under AAA. That's also a big deal. It's probably more political than financial, but it's still a deal because you're showing the world that your ass is in the air and your debt is out of control. Basically, that's what you're saying. Instead of having a AAA rating of, you're good to go, you've been knocked down a peg or two.